Hey people, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to your Twitter profile from your PS5. Now first what you want to do is link your Twitter profile to your PS5. If you haven't done that, you want to head up to the top here and come to the settings and then come down to users and accounts. And then link with other services and then you want to come down to your Twitter. As you can see, mine is already linked. So what we'll do, we'll come back to the main page and then you want to come to your media gallery. And with your media gallery up, you want to come to this little icon on the left here and then you want to select any video or picture that you want to upload to Twitter and you want to click it and then you want to come down to the right here and click share. Then you want to select where you want to share it, in our case Twitter, so we'll select Twitter and you can either post it straight away or you can change the comments here, so we can add test just for an example. And once you're happy, you'll click post and this will post the video or picture to your Twitter profile. Hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, hit the subscribe, and thanks for watching.